Yo, I never knew what she plug, you know. Well, get about previous government during campaign time, you know, Dr. Bao, remember the announcement, one student, one tablet. You know, before ambassador officer, I'm afraid procurement come ni tablet e bomba. She recently a parliament current education minister Niji Honorable Haruna Idrisu Eke na agbafio eba ni eto ni address mi ji na agba ekome eke student say ekome ke tablet enkwe pono nya okwa video ba.
Ghana is going digital with its free senior high school initiative. I inherited a contract worth about 337 million US dollars, where some 1.3 million tablets was to be distributed across the country to all free senior high schools in the country so that learners can have access to digital tools. I'm told that deployment of that is around 980,000. We are through GET funds supporting the distribution across the country. But my attention this morning, Mr. Speaker, was drawn to the fact that many of the devices are not customized and the students are using it for other purposes, including pornography, which is not acceptable. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, government is taking a high view of it, and there must be restrictions as to what the tablets can be used for, and it should be used strictly for purpose of study.
Anyeme noni ya noni isani akwaje mejoba mini ba hani ne keni bi ne ise afo e make claims ko me akeshi tablet a customize kule ni students ebo use mo oba pa fai ke ayenoko ni afi o ni students nye ameke tablet ne e access pon size abomode ni afi ha wo bi antone no because ke amana tablet nsa na meka kase ni amekwa akwepo no e wo support oba pa fai ni onukpa amekwa ni amesolve na kansani awo she know eto mi nwa ke a tablet eyin students serious students ejeme ni like an serious students they will make good use of the tablet your akpafai ni ha tablet egba oya many amento na make fe ni na metongbe me amekase ni papa na metongbe me am make good use of it akpafai ni tablet nya na sha bi kan bi ade shinyemo nyebo amode ni monitor how they use the tablet mo aka use it anyhow I customize le bona fe ni at least e kanye access upon site ko make ni bi ina gashi bekeke ewe no kuna kan yesha ka banya fe no kuna kan nyebo amode ni nyemo ni hawo biga bi kedeke tablet na hanya kan ka se ni kan kwapu no e ba fe very careful yeah baby no bo wato no bo mode ni onu akwara mineral water ko agbene ko onu akwara water oto e ko papa no kwebo ye link August town wetashin adoami agbene we JT hairstylist ke ba no oba gbo oyitwe oba fe owa na nchon pedicure manicure yeah no look good I'm a teshin adoami JT hairstylist ye branch e ko me won ye Agblazan I'm a hospitality level where you're very, very high. You link up to, ni bana treatment, you regret. Never bye.